Hello and welcome to this deep hip stretch yoga routine. We will go right into deeper, longer holds with poses like pigeon and lizard to release the tightness in the hips. This practice works best at the end of the day or after a workout when your body is already a bit warmed up. Let's begin in a tabletop position on your hands and knees. For pigeon pose, bring your left knee forward towards your left wrist. Wiggle around to release your hips towards the ground. And you can stay up on your hands or lower down to your elbows, or maybe even lower, releasing your forehead to the ground. Take your time to settle in, find what's comfortable, and then try to relax into the pose. Notice where you feel the stretch, on the outer hip, on the inner thighs, groin. Keep taking deep breaths. With inhale, imagine creating space in the areas that feel tight. With exhale, let the tension go. Slowly come up to your hands and make your way back into tabletop. Take your time. When you are ready, bring your right knee forward and adjust this side. Move around, take your time. And when you are ready, pause and hold still. If you notice the body open up during the hold, you can go lower to your elbows or relax your forehead down to the ground. Take another breath. And begin to release your pigeon. Make your way back into tabletop. Then for lizard pose variation, step your left foot forward to the outer edge of the mat. Roll out to the outer edge of the foot, opening the knee out to the side and gently pressing the hips towards the ground. You can keep your hands down or place your left hand on the left knee, helping it out a little more to the side. And as a more advanced option, you can catch your back foot with your left hand to add a deep hip flexor and quad stretch. Find the variation that feels good in your body right now and stay there. You can also rock gently side to side, easing into the pose. Just a few more moments here. And then slowly take your left leg back. Bring your right foot forward. Roll out to the outer edge of the foot. And see what works on this side, keeping your hands down, opening the knee with your right hand, or maybe catching your back foot. The sides can be different, that's completely normal to be a bit more tight or open on one side. Remember to breathe. Check your face, your jaw, the space between the eyebrows, and relax your face. Slowly release this position, take your right leg back. And then sit on the mat, bring your legs forward. For Janusirsasana, the one leg forward bend. Bend your right knee and place the right foot to your left inner thigh. Open the right knee out to the side and turn your upper body to face the straight leg. Try to lengthen your spine, and with that long spine, lean forward to your straight leg. Keep your hands on the ground or hold your foot with one or two hands. Stay here and breathe into the restrictions. Remember, inhale to create space. Exhale, release the tension, the tightness. Slowly release, lift your upper body and change sides. Straighten your right leg out, bring your left foot to your right inner thigh. Sit up nice and tall, and then pull your chest and lean forward. Notice where you feel the stretch in this pose. Is it on the back of the straight leg, on your inner thighs and groin, outer hips, maybe also on the lower back? Release and come up. Move your legs around and then straighten them and take them out wide as you can. Sit up comfortably. Flex the feet, toes pointing up to the ceiling. And again, lengthen the spine and lean forward as much as you can with straight spine. If sitting upright already gives you a stretch on the inner thighs and back of the legs, you can also stay upright. Few more breaths here. If you notice the body release into the pose, just walk your hands more forward or drop down to your elbows. Release, lift your upper body up, bring your legs together, and we will do the last pose, my favorite, the double pigeon, the full or modified version. Bend your right knee, place your right foot under your left knee and left foot under the right knee, so the shins are kind of parallel to each other. You can sit upright if you already feel the stretch in that position, or lean forward over the legs for a deeper stretch. If you're a bit more advanced, you can try stacking your shins on top of each other, creating this double pigeon or fire log shape. Make sure your knees feel okay in this one, because it's quite a deep pose. Work with your breath, breathe in and out. Release slowly and switch sides so that another shin is in front, another foot is in front. Or if you're doing a double pigeon, another shin is stacked on top. And again, the sides can be different. It could be that you can do the pose on one side but not on the other. That's normal. Slowly come up here, release your legs, move your feet and toes, and then just find a simple cross-legged sit to finish this practice. Just inhale, reach your arms up, exhale, palms to your heart, and smile. I hope your hips are feeling better. Maybe sitting cross-legged is easier now after this short practice. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this class, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!